Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI for automation. Whether it's repetitive tasks, emails, or simple coding, Claude can save you a ton of time. First, sign into your Claude AI account. Once you're in, click New Chat to start your automation project. This is where you'll type your prompts for tasks you want to automate. Next, think about tasks you do often, like writing emails, creating reports, or generating social media posts. The clearer you are about the task, the better Claude can help. Type a prompt describing what you want automated. For example, write a weekly newsletter email for my subscribers or generate a daily social media caption calendar. You can even include formats or templates. Claude AI will generate your automated content or scripts, review it, and tweak if needed. This ensures the automation fits your style and requirements. Finally, copy or export the generated content and use it in your workflow. By repeating this process, you can automate many routine tasks and save hours of work each week. And that's it. Using Claude AI for automation is really that simple. Define tasks, generate, review, and implement, then watch how much time you save.